Alright guys, welcome back to the video. We have another 2-minute special today. We're going to go ahead and use some tire shine that I feel like works the best. It is a water-based oxidized coat. It is Carpro, the Pearl, and it is 1-to-1 ratio. So you want to just go ahead and put that on by an applicator, like a sponge applicator, around the whole tire. We'll go ahead and do that, but first we need to clean off the tire. We'll use a rubber cleaner by Greenhouse Garage, and if we really want to go ahead and get it clean, we'll go ahead and use an all-purpose cleaner. I don't have it here, but use an all-purpose cleaner, get it around there. If you want to agitate it more, use the drill brush attachment, and then just hose it off, wipe it down, make sure it's clean. I have used crystal products in the past, but it does fling a lot, even after 7 days of no driving. It still flings on the vehicle a lot. So Carpro, definitely a must, and you'll see the difference in the end. As you can tell, I used the Carpro last time on the vehicle about 7 days ago. Yes, I do live on a dirty road as of right now, so it was easily cleanable, and you can tell that if you wipe it dry, it will be almost perfect in silicone base. So we'll just go ahead and get this tire clean just for this video, and then we'll just do the rest, and then I'll just get on with it. All the solution should be off this. It's dry to the touch. It is very clean tire, so if you just want to go ahead and use a Carpro, use an applicator by Chemical Guys. Whatever you prefer, you can use the microfiber towel and just wipe it on.